Good morning. Today is the day you stop living like the 99% and start thinking, moving, and acting like the 1%. You see, success isn't an accident. Wealth isn't luck. The difference between those who make it and those who stay stuck isn't just talent, intelligence, or where they started. It's how they choose to show up every single morning. Because how you start your day determines how you live your life. The 1%, the top earners, the game changers, the visionaries. They don't roll out of bed, hit snooze 5 times, scroll through their phones, and hope for success. No. They wake up with intention, with purpose, with fire. They dominate the morning because they know if they win the morning, they win the day. So let me ask you, how are you starting your mornings? Are you waking up with energy, ready to attack your goals? Or are you dragging through the day, reacting to life instead of creating it? The wealthy, the successful, the unstoppable, they move differently. They rise early because they know time is their most valuable asset. They don't waste it. They own it. The 1% wake up with a plan, a strategy, a mission. First, they master their mind. The moment they open their eyes, they take control of their thoughts. No negativity, no distractions, just gratitude and vision. Because success starts in the mind before it ever shows up in your bank account. Then they master their body. They don't wake up and feed themselves junk or sit in sluggishness. They get moving, they exercise, they energize themselves because they know a strong body fuels a strong mind. And most importantly, they master their purpose. They don't waste time wondering what to do. They already know. They set clear goals. They visualize success. They write it down. Because a dream without a plan is just a wish. While the world is sleeping, the 1% are already grinding. While others are making excuses, they're making progress. While others are watching TV, they're watching their dreams come to life. So I ask you today, what kind of person do you want to be? Are you going to keep waking up like the 99%, hitting snooze, drifting through life, and wondering why nothing changes? Or are you going to rise like the 1%, take control, and step into your greatness? Because let me tell you something, your future is waiting on you. Your potential is waiting on you. Your dreams are waiting on you. But they won't wait forever. Get up, get focused, get moving. Because the life you want isn't going to be handed to you. It's going to be built by you. And it all starts the moment you wake up. Now go out there and make your mornings count. Success starts in the morning because your first actions dictate the energy, focus, and mindset you carry throughout the day. The 1% understand that every great achievement begins with a solid foundation, and that foundation is built the moment they wake up. If you start with purpose and discipline, the rest of your day follows suit. But if you start scattered and sluggish, success becomes an uphill battle. Waking up with purpose means having a clear vision before your feet even touch the ground. The world's highest achievers don't wake up wondering what to do. They already know. Their mornings are structured, intentional, and driven by goals. This eliminates procrastination and ensures momentum from the start. Mastering your mind is crucial because thoughts create reality. Successful people begin each day with gratitude, positive affirmations, and visualization. They don't allow negativity to take hold. Instead, they program their minds for success, setting the tone for peak performance. Movement is non-negotiable. The 1% understand that a strong body fuels a strong mind. Exercise increases energy, sharpens focus, and enhances discipline. Even a short workout in the morning can create a massive difference in productivity and mental clarity. Feeding your mind is just as important as feeding your body. The wealthy read, listen to audiobooks, and consume content that sharpens their skills and mindset. While the average person starts their day with social media, the successful start with learning and growth, giving them a competitive edge. Planning and execution separate the dreamers from the achievers. Writing down goals every morning brings clarity and direction. The 1% don't just hope for success. They strategize and attack their objectives with relentless focus. They measure progress and adjust their actions accordingly. Distractions are the enemy of success. The 1% fiercely protect their mornings from unnecessary interruptions. They control their time instead of letting the world control them. No aimless scrolling, no mindless chatter, just deep focus on what truly matters. Discipline beats motivation every time. The successful don't rely on feeling like doing something. They commit and follow through regardless of their emotions. Success isn't built on occasional inspiration. It's built on consistent action, day after day. That's what separates the 1% from everyone else. Success starts in the morning because the way you begin each day determines the energy, focus, and discipline you carry forward. The 1% don't leave their mornings to chance. They craft them intentionally. Waking up with clarity and purpose sets the tone for everything that follows. If you start with procrastination, distraction, and sluggishness, your day will reflect that. But if you wake up with structure, goals, and motivation, success becomes inevitable. Waking up with purpose means eliminating uncertainty from your mornings. The most successful people don't start their day wondering what to do. They already have a plan. They know their priorities before they even get out of bed. They rise early, not because they have to, but because they choose to own their time instead of letting it control them. Mastering your mind is the first battle you must win each day. The 1% begin with gratitude, visualization, and positive affirmations. They don't allow negative thoughts to dictate their actions. Instead, they condition their minds for success, knowing that what they focus on expands. Physical movement is non-negotiable for high achievers. They know that exercise increases energy, improves mood, and enhances discipline. Even a short workout boosts mental clarity and prepares them to perform at their best. The 99% make excuses, the 1% make time. Feeding your mind is just as critical as feeding your body. The wealthy don't start their day with social media or gossip. They start with learning. They read books, listen to podcasts, and study their craft. They understand that knowledge compounds over time and gives them a competitive edge. Planning and execution separate dreamers from doers. The 1% don't just set goals. They write them down and create actionable steps. They track their progress, make adjustments, and stay focused on the bigger picture. They don't rely on wishful thinking, they rely on strategy. Distractions are the enemy of success. The wealthy don't waste their mornings scrolling through their phones or reacting to notifications. They guard their time fiercely, prioritizing deep work and meaningful progress. Finally, discipline beats motivation every single time. The most successful people don't wait to feel inspired. They act regardless of how they feel. They understand that success isn't built on occasional bursts of energy, but on consistent, relentless effort. By mastering these principles, you won't just start your mornings like the 1%, you'll start living like them. The difference between those who succeed and those who struggle isn't luck, intelligence, or background. It's the way they choose to start each day. The 1% understand that mornings are not just routines, they are the foundation of greatness. By waking up with purpose, mastering their mindset, moving their bodies, feeding their minds, and executing with discipline, they set themselves apart from the rest of the world. Success doesn't happen by accident. It's built through small, consistent habits that compound over time. Every morning is an opportunity to take control, to eliminate distractions, and to move one step closer to your goals. The question is, will you use your mornings like the 1%, or will you let them slip away like the 99%? If you want to change your life, start by changing your mornings. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting to feel ready. The life you dream of isn't waiting for you to catch up. It's waiting for you to step up. So, rise early. Move with purpose. Attack your goals, because the person you become in the morning is the person who will build your future.